Have you ever wondered what separates the masters of success from the rest of the crowd? What secret formula do they possess that enables them to dominate any situation that life throws their way? Well, look no further, because in this video, we're about to unveil the 5 ultimate habits that empower individuals to rise above challenges, seize opportunities, and conquer every aspect of their lives. Let's begin. Number 1. Body language. Have you ever wondered how some individuals seem to effortlessly command respect and attention the moment they walk into a room? It's not just about what they say, it's about how they carry themselves. This power lies in mastering the art of body language, an essential first step in dominating any situation. The way you carry yourself, your posture, and how you occupy space speak volumes about you before you even say a single word. It's like a silent message to the world saying, "I am here, and I am in control." Here's how you can master this art and harness the incredible power of body language. Dominance starts from within, and it shows in how you stand. Hold your head up high, signaling self-assuredness and confidence. Keep your shoulders back, not slouched, projecting an image of strength. When you stand tall, you instantly become more noticeable and influential. Walking with purpose is another crucial aspect of body language. A dominant person doesn't shuffle or drag their feet. They stride with confidence. Your dominance doesn't stop when you take a seat. Sit comfortably, making the most of the space available to you. Keep your back straight, signaling attentiveness and poise. Avoid crossing your arms or legs, which can appear defensive or closed off. Instead, keep your arms open, welcoming engagement and conversation. But why does body language matter so much? It's because humans are hardwired to read nonverbal cues. We instinctively assess others based on their posture, gestures, and facial expressions. When you project dominance through your body language, you create a positive first impression, setting the stage for effective communication and influence. Imagine a scenario where you're in a meeting and you enter the room with slumped shoulders and averted eyes. How would others perceive you? Likely as unsure or disinterested. Now picture the same situation with you walking in confidently, making eye contact and sitting upright. Instantly you become the person others turn to, the one they respect and listen to. So the next time you find yourself in a challenging situation or striving to make a powerful impression, remember that your body language speaks volumes. Master it, and you'll be well on your way to dominating any situation life throws your way. Number 2. Eye contact. Eyes are often called the windows to the soul, and there's a good reason for that. Maintaining unwavering eye contact when engaging with others is a potent tool for conveying confidence, focus, and dominance. It's like a secret language that speaks volumes without uttering a single word. Picture Tommy Shelby from Peaky Blinders. His ability to lock eyes with intensity and concentration is a prime example of this commanding trait. Dominance isn't about being domineering, it's about being in control. When you lock eyes with someone with intensity and concentration, you establish dominance in a subtle yet powerful way. It's a non-verbal way of saying, "I'm in charge here." On the flip side, darting your gaze around can convey nervousness or disinterest. In social interactions, it's often seen as a sign of insecurity or lack of confidence. However, it's crucial to strike a balance. While holding someone's gaze is essential, you don't want to make them uncomfortable. The goal is to convey confidence and interest, not to intimidate. So here are a few tips to help you master this art. Soften your gaze. Instead of staring intensely, soften your gaze slightly. Think of it as a friendly yet focused look. Blink naturally. Blinking is normal, and it's essential to keep your eyes moisturized. Don't avoid blinking, as it can make you appear robotic. Look away occasionally. It's okay to break eye contact briefly, especially during natural pauses in the conversation. Just make sure to return your gaze to maintain that connection. Practice makes perfect. Like any skill, practice is key. Start by maintaining eye contact during everyday conversations. Over time, it will become more natural and less intimidating. Number 4. Commanding voice. Your voice is a remarkable instrument, capable of conveying authority, confidence, and dominance. It's not just about the words you speak, it's how you deliver them. Imagine a commanding voice as a magnetic force that compels others to listen and respect your words. When you speak, your tone sets the stage for the entire conversation. A calm and steady tone exudes control and confidence. It's like the captain of a ship steering through turbulent waters with composure. Your tone should reflect that you're in charge of the dialogue. To develop a commanding voice, start with self-awareness. Record yourself speaking and listen for areas of improvement. Practice speaking with a calm and steady tone, making conscious efforts to slow down if needed. Work on enunciation and clarity. Remember, it's not about having a deep voice, but about utilizing the voice you have with emotional control. One of the often misunderstood aspects of dominance is that it doesn't mean you have to be insensitive or cold. True dominance, in fact, lies in your ability to maintain emotional control in all situations. It's the art of staying composed and strong, even when faced with high-pressure circumstances. This emotional mastery is not about suppressing your feelings, but rather about harnessing them for clear thinking, rational decision-making, and effective problem-solving. Dominance isn't about being an emotionless machine, it's about being in charge of your emotions. When you maintain emotional control, you strike a balance between strength and sensitivity. You're not ruled by your feelings, but you're still capable of empathy and understanding. In high-pressure situations, emotions can run wild and cloud your judgment. Emotional control allows you to cut through the chaos and think clearly. You're less likely to make impulsive decisions or say things you might regret later. Dominant individuals are known for their ability to make rational decisions, even when emotions are running high. Emotional control enables you to step back, assess the situation objectively, and choose the best course of action based on logic and reason. Challenges and conflicts are part of life, but how you handle them defines your dominance. When you're emotionally controlled, you're better equipped to tackle problems with a clear head. You can analyze issues, consider solutions, and implement them effectively. Emotions can sometimes lead to actions you later regret. By maintaining emotional control, you prevent yourself from saying or doing things in the heat of the moment that may damage relationships or your reputation. Number 5, taking responsibility. In the world of dominance, one trait stands out like a beacon of strength: the willingness to take initiative and wholeheartedly accept responsibility for your actions. It's a trait that embodies honesty, self-assuredness, and an unapologetic attitude towards one's past. When dominant individuals act, they don't shy away from the consequences, whether they are good or bad. This level of accountability exudes a magnetic charm, drawing people towards them. It's important to understand that dominance isn't about seeking to impress others. It's about being unwaveringly confident in oneself. Here's why taking responsibility is such a powerful aspect of dominance. Initiative and leadership. Dominant individuals are often natural leaders. They take charge of situations, make decisions, and drive forward. Taking responsibility is at the core of leadership because it shows that you're not afraid to guide and influence outcomes. Confidence in actions. Confidence is a hallmark of dominance, and it stems from the belief in one's abilities. When you take responsibility for your actions, you're essentially saying, "I am capable and I stand by my choices." This self-assuredness is contagious and earns respect. Owning your past. We've all made mistakes or had moments we're not proud of. Dominance isn't about concealing or being ashamed of your history. It's about owning your past, learning from it, and using those experiences to grow and improve. Building trust. Accountability is the foundation of trust. When others see that you're reliable and dependable, they are more likely to have faith in your words and actions. Trust is a valuable currency in personal and professional relationships. Authenticity. Dominance isn't a facade, it's an authentic expression of self-confidence and competence. When you take responsibility, you're being true to yourself, which resonates with others on a deeper level. Alright guys, we've come to the end of this video, and if you enjoyed it, do well to click on the like and subscribe buttons. Don't forget to check other videos on our playlist. We've got some amazing contents for you. See you in our next video.